Hi my beautiful subscribers, I am back and I am back with a beautiful bright makeup tutorial. I got inspired honestly today. This morning I was outside and I was enjoying how beautiful it looks. Like the flowers are so pretty because you know it's a spring, and I was like, I'm gonna do like a tutorial, like a really beautiful bright with using bright colors tutorial. And so yeah, I got inspired because it's a spring. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am trying my best to like get used to this routine again, since it's been a while since I don't do a video, but I promise you guys I'm getting better. Okay, I'm gonna get better and better. So I really hope you guys enjoy, like I said. And please bear with me, okay? I want to try and talk to you guys in Spanglish as far as like when I'm talking. So voy a tratar la manera de hablar en español también. So espero que todos disfruten este look. Y por favor síganme en mi Instagram, en mi Snapchat, en donde sea. Voy a estarles trayendo muchos tutoriales. Esta vez me quería enfocar en mis ojos. This time I wanted to just focus just on my eyes. Hopefully the next video it's going to be my foundation routine in my eyebrows and just everything. So el siguiente video que voy a hacer va a ser especialmente para enseñarles cómo me aplico mi base y cómo me hago mis cejas. So por favor sean pacientes conmigo. Please be patient with me. Like I said, I'm coming back and I want to come back with a lot of looks for you guys. I did miss doing videos for you guys, and extrañé mucho hacer videos para ustedes. Y so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that I am going to do is applying my primer, and the one that I'm using today is by Urban Decay Primer Portion. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit and I'm gonna apply it with a synthetic brush. If I find it, it's right here. The brushes that I'm gonna be using today, they are by Michelle Palma Makeup. They are amazing, by the way. Okay, so now that I have my primer on, I am going to start with my highlight. And I'm going to show you guys the palette that I'm going to be using today on today's look. And this one is the Bibella Cosmetics Slade palette. It's actually one of my favorites. I am going to be applying the lightest color in the palette. And by the way, you can use my code HOTMAMA for 20% off if you're gonna purchase something in their website. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I am going to apply the next color, which is the purple color, which is such a beautiful color in the palette. And I'm gonna be using it, this one right here. It's the only purple in the palette. I really love the pigmentation of this palette. I swear it's one of my favorites. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply this color right on my crease. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring the same purple, I'm gonna bring it down here just to smoke it out a little bit, and I'm using the same brush. It's okay if it's a little messy. You don't have, I mean, the purpose for me to use a blending brush is because I wanted to like, for it to look like smoky at the same time, to smoke it out, and it's easier to blend. So I brought it down here like so. Okay, so the next color that I'm gonna be using, it's this beautiful aqua color that it's in the palette. It's beautiful. Like, I swear this camera is not making any effort to like even like, the color is so pigmented. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going back with the purple we used at the beginning, And I'm just gonna grab a little bit and I'm gonna apply it right in the corner of the eye, just because I wanted to use it as a guide for the next color that we're gonna be using, that I'm gonna be using, and which is gonna be like a darker color. I mean, it's going to be exactly black, so just to like smoke it out a little bit, I'm gonna be using the only black eyeshadow that it's in the palette, and it's this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the M120. It's kind of like a blending brush, but it's like in a pencil shape. It's perfect for this part of the eye. Like, it gives it like a, it's just for this, it's perfect. Like, I know I'm looking a little messy right now, but it's okay. I'm gonna remove that later. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be grabbing my Urban Decay 24/7 glide on eye pencil, and it's called Zero. It's one of my favorite black pencils that I've always used, and I'm gonna apply this right in my waterline. And I'm gonna bring it out a little bit out of the waterline, just because I want to smoke that out. Like that. Like that. And now I'm going to grab another brush. It's kind of like a little small brush. This one is the M106. It's like an eyeshadow brush, but it's like a very small, and it's perfect for this area right here. I don't know why, but I always like to add black in all my looks. I don't know why, but I always like it. So, let's get in there. Okay, so here comes the fun part. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Beauty Creations glitter today, along with their glue. It's amazing, you guys. Like, honestly, this is one of the best glues for glitters that I've been using, and I'm gonna link both of these products down below, so make sure you guys go check that down below if you guys want to know more about it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be applying the glue with a synthetic brush, and or I'm going to be using the same brush that I use for this eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue first. I know I look a mess right now with all this, a little bit of glitter everywhere, but okay, so my next step is going to be, I'm going to be applying my liquid eyeliner, and if you've been following me since day number 1, you know I've been loving this Italian liquid eyeliner since forever. It's like a $3 liquid eyeliner, and it works amazing. It's a waterproof, and it has vitamin E, so that's amazing. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be doing my eyeliner with this today. Okay, so these are the lashes that I'm gonna be using today. They are from Amy June Lashes, and the name is Chloe, and this is how they look. How pretty are they? These are the lashes that I'm using today. And voila, this is the final look. As you can see, I did my foundation, my contour, my highlight, and this is how it looks. On my lips, I am wearing my Urban Decay Back Talk Comfort, and this is just like a really beautiful pink color. Such a pretty, beautiful nude pink. And on top of it, I am using one of my favorite glosses right now, and it's called Midnight Cowgirl, and it's by also Urban Decay. I'm super loving these two combinations. I swear it's so beautiful. And but yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I know I'm probably you guys wanted to see how I do my foundation, my contour and all that, but that's hopefully that's next in my next videos that I'm gonna be doing for you guys. This is not the last video that I'm gonna be doing, so I just wanted to focus really on the look that I did for you guys on the eyes. So make sure to go and check down below. Make sure to follow me in my social media, my Snapchat, Instagram, and make sure to please show me support by subscribing to my channel. And the more you guys subscribe, the more subscribers I get, the more motivation I get to bring you guys more videos. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.